How to preserve aloe vera pulp at home. You will see the translucent aloe vera gel inside. Carefully peel off the aloe vera gel from the leaves. Put the gel pulp into a bowl. Squeeze out the juice from half a lemon. Pour the thick, succulent aloe vera gel into a blender. Pour the lemon juice into the blender as well. Blend the mixture for about 1 minute. Pour the mixture from the blender into a bowl. You now have a natural beauty treatment for your hair and skin. Hair, after working it into your hair, leave it in for about 20 minutes and then wash it out. Face mask, make sure to apply the mask to your face and your neck to maintain an even skin tone. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Wash the aloe vera leaves with water before using them. Instead of slicing the aloe vera leaf lengthwise, you can cut it into large chunks or cubes to make it easier to take out the gel. Just slit open the top layer of each cube and then peel off the gel. If you are not comfortable peeling off the aloe vera gel with a knife, you can scoop out the gel pulp with a spoon. If you do not have a lemon squeezer, just squeeze out the juice with your hand. To get more juice, roll the lemon on the countertop before cutting it into halves. Using lemon juice frequently on your hair can lighten your hair's color. So, occasionally replace the lemon juice with honey. The combination of honey and aloe vera gel will further condition and moisturize your hair.